how to create Microsoft Loop Workspace. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Loop Workspace. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Loop website. On the home page, you'll see a sign in button. Click on it and then enter your email and password. Make sure the details are correct, and once you're ready, hit next to move forward. After signing in, you'll land on the Loop dashboard. Here, look for the option that says New Workspace. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll create your central hub for collaboration. Think of it like your team's digital office. Now, it's time to name your workspace. Pick something descriptive and easy to remember, whether it's a project name, your department, or simply your team's name. A clear title makes it simple for everyone to find and recognize the workspace. Once you've typed in the name, the final step is to click on Create. Give it a moment, and just like that, your new Microsoft Loop Workspace is ready to go. From here, you can start inviting teammates, adding pages, and creating content together in real time. Microsoft Loop is designed to make teamwork seamless, so take some time to explore the features and see how it can fit into your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Microsoft Loop Workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. That's all for the video.